Barbar's Peekaboo Fair. The animal fair is about to begin, but where is King Barbar? Papa, where are you? Calls Pom. Are you in here? Asks Flora. No, this is the kangaroo exhibit. There's nobody here but kangaroos. Barbar, where are you? Calls Zephyr. Are you in here? No, this is the rhinoceros booth. There's nobody here but rhinoceroses. Barbar, where are you? Calls Celeste. Are you in here? Nope, this is the giraffe castle. There's nobody here but giraffes. Barbar, where are you? Asked Arthur. Are you in here? Nope, this is the camel tent. There's nobody here but camels. Where can Barbar be? Barbar, here you are. Hooray for the hippo house. Choo-choo, peekaboo. Sir Tophamhat's 7 grandchildren are visiting the station. They are hiding from their grandpapa. Can you find them? There's one in the station house. Choo-choo, peekaboo. There's another in Percy. That makes 2. Number 3 is hiding in Toby. Surprise, Toby! Choo-choo, peekaboo. Number 4, we see you. 5, 6, and 7 are hiding in the shed. Choo-choo, be seeing you. Everyone's going for a ride in Thomas the Tank Engine. Peekaboo. Let's play peekaboo. Little Elmo is hiding somewhere. Can you find little Elmo? Peekaboo. Can you find little Big Bird? Here's little Big Bird. Glub, glub. Who is swimming underwater with the fish? Peekaboo, we see you, little Ernie. Look out! It's a monster bicycle race. But where is little Grover? There you are, little Grover. Where is little Bird hiding? Do you see him anywhere? Oh, there he is. Peekaboo, little bird. Where is little Cookie Monster, the king of the jungle? Cowabunga! Here are lots of ballerinas, but where is little Prairie Dawn? Oh, there's little Prairie Dawn. Where is everybody? Peekaboo, we see you. Peekaboo Blue. Blue can play peekaboo, and you can too. Periwinkle, Periwinkle, where are you? Where is Magenta? Let's find her too. Here I am, Blue. Peekaboo. Can you find Purple Kangaroo? Here I am, Blue. Peekaboo. Let's find more friends. Not one, but two. Here we are, Blue. Peekaboo. There's one more friend to find. Can you guess who? You found Blue. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, I see you. Someone is hiding. Do you know who? Zoe is hiding. What should we do? Now who's hiding? It's someone blue. Who could this be? Let's see who. Here's someone green. He's grouchy too. Everyone's hiding. Can you guess who?